Hello, Sanbonani. My name is Sibo. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a pasta with chicken and sauce. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop the onion and set it aside. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Hit each garlic clove with the side of the knife. It makes it easy for them to slide out of its shell or covering. Then chop the garlic cloves and set them aside. Clean the mushrooms with a wet, clean cloth, or if you are not a mushroom person, use garden peas instead, or eggplant, or fennel, or cauliflower. Slice the mushrooms thick. Set them aside. Chop the fresh parsley. Set aside a quarter cup for mixing into the pasta and the other for garnish later. For chicken, either use a deli rotisserie chicken, ready-made one, or chicken breasts. I'm cutting them into half for quick frying. Season the uncooked chicken with salt and pepper. Rub it in, then heat the skillet until it's smoking hot. Add oil. Fry the chicken until it's golden but not dry, because we're still going to put it in the oven. That may take between 5 to 6 minutes. Set the chicken aside as you cook it in batches if you have a small skillet like mine. A warm welcome to the new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. It's free. Boil the water, add the salt, then add the spaghetti or linguine. Cook it according to the package instructions. Meanwhile, in a pan, add oil. Fry the mushrooms until they are soft and have no water in them. That will take about 3 minutes. A big thank you to my returning subscribers, my family. You are the best. Thank you for your support. Once they are soft, add a little bit of oil in preparation for frying the onion. Stir and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Add the chopped garlic and stir. Cook it for 1 minute. Take the mushroom and onion out of the pan and do not wash the pan. Let's make the sauce in the same pan. Melt the butter and fry the flour. Let the flour cook for about 3 minutes, stirring constantly with a fork or a whisk. Gradually and slowly add the low sodium broth or stock, stirring in between to avoid lumps. I have used the vegetable stock because that's what I had. Cook until it thickens and it simmers, stirring constantly. Add the lemon juice and stir. This is for the balance of the taste. Then add the room temperature or warm cream, otherwise temper it. Cook it for 2 minutes, then remove it from the heat. Reduce the heat to low and make sure that it doesn't burn underneath. That's the reason I am stirring with a spatula. It will be ready. Then shred the chicken into pieces with your clean hands or use a fork. Grease the casserole dish with the softened butter. Once the spaghetti is ready, drain its water, leave about half a cup on a side. Then put the spaghetti in a big pan or bowl for easy mixing. That's spaghetti or linguine. If it's cheap spaghetti that sticks together like mine, use your clean hands to split it before mixing. When I was boiling it, I did add oil and stirred it, but it still stuck. Add the cooked mushroom onion mix. Followed by the chicken. Toss to mix. Add your delicious sauce and mix. Add the fresh parsley and don't forget to leave some for garnish. Put your mixed spaghetti or linguine in the casserole dish and level it. Grate the mozzarella cheese. The measurements will be in the description box below. Press where it says more. Sprinkle the cheese on top of the pasta. Cover with the foil or the lid of the casserole. Bake for 20 minutes covered. Then remove the covering and bake it for 15 more minutes. You may broil it for 2 minutes afterwards. Be careful when taking it out, it will be bubbling on the sides. Garnish it with parsley and serve it immediately. Please kindly press the like button and comment below your thoughts about this recipe. I hope you will try this recipe. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.